Creatine is not steroids. Now that I've gotten that off my chest, we can start the video. Welcome to Muscles by Marcell, where we help you make the world your gym. Videos up every Sunday, so hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering, what is creatine if it isn't steroids, and what is it used for? Creatine is a substance found naturally in your body, particularly in your muscle cells. It is commonly taken as a supplement. Creatine also alters several cellular processes that lead to increased muscle mass, strength, and recovery. How does creatine actually work? Creatine gives your muscles more energy and leads to changes in cell function that lead to increased muscle growth. Supplementing with creatine can result in significant increases in muscle mass. This applies to both untrained individuals and elite athletes. Creatine is not only a great way to work out, but it's been heavily researched for about a decade. It's really proven to help high intensity workouts and help muscle growth. Let's talk about side effects. Now, you'll hear a lot about side effects of creatine, and you see the list right here. I'm here to tell you that this list of side effects are all unproven. Bottom line, creatine is cheap, safe, and healthy. I recommend giving it a shot if you want to grow your muscles. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.